Good morning, students. Today we will talk about the religion, which is a part of Unit 3. Now, before going on to the details, when the question comes about religion, don't write about Indian religion, that is Hindu religion or Muslim religion in all. You have to write in an abstract form. Okay, so let me start. In the beginning was the Word was with God, Word was God. And this is the ideology of Christianity. The Tetentians lived on the northern prairies of USA. The world of nature on which they are dependent is controlled by vegan powers. The powers are strong enough to control the season, the rain to fall, the plants to grow, and animals. Supernatural beliefs are everywhere and is known in every society. Man is a social animal, so is also spiritual being. Now, so you can say that supernatural beliefs are present everywhere in every society. So, how can we define religion now? Religion can be broadly defined as the belief in supernatural powers. Now, let us talk about one of the thinkers who has given the definition in his book, The Elementary Form of Religious Life. Religion is nothing but a unified system of belief and practices relative to direct and control on the nature of human life. Now, the question will arise to your mind: how did the origin of religion has happened? How did the religion happen? Now, when you talk about this evolutionary approach to study the evolution or origin of religion, then it was always influenced by the Darwin's theory of origin of species. Now, in this in this theory, Darwin attempted to explain origin and evolution of species. So, what did sociologists do? Sociologists tried to explain the origin and evolution of social institutions and society. So from this, basically two types of theory has evolved. One is Animism and the other one is Naturalism. Now let us come on to the first one. What is Animism? Animism means belief in the spirit. Edward B. Taylor is a pioneer to talk about the earliest form of religion. Now, he has argued that animism derives from man's attempt to answer two questions mainly. What is that makes the difference between the living body and the dead ones? And what are those human shapes which appear in dreams and vision? To make sense of these events, philosophers invented the idea of soul. Now, soul is what? Soul is the spirit being which leaves body temporarily during dreams and visions and permanently during death. So now you understood what is the idea of souls. Now once it was invented, we did not stop here. We started putting up this idea of spirit with man, then other aspects of animal, and also man-made things. Now if you remember, during the Shara, even we do prayer of our astras and shastra. So that is what the belief in animism. Okay. So now let us come on to the next question, next part of theory, that is naturalism. Now naturalism is what? The belief that forces the nature have supernatural powers. Muller was the first one who has studied this type of form of religion. He argues that Naturism arises from man's experience of nature, in particular, the effect of nature upon man's emotion. Nature contains surprises, terrors, marvels, and miracles, such as volcanoes, thunder, and lightning. Awed by the power of wonders of nature, early men transferred the abstract forces into personal agent. Man personified the nature. That the forces of wind is because of the spirit of wind. The power of sun is because becomes the spirit of sun. So this is how the Naturism is evolved. Even in our Hindu religion, we do praise sun, trees like Bad Puja. There are festivals related to all these things. So this is how the evolutionary approach of religion is. Okay. So now let us explain in terms of religion in terms of human needs. So Taylor saw it as a response to man's intellectual needs, and Muller saw it as a means of satisfying emotional needs. So now you got the difference between these two types of religion, the animism and naturism. Animism talks about the man's intellectual needs, and the naturism talks about the satisfying the emotional needs. Now criticism, definitely the origin of religion is lost in the past. Archaeological evidence could be just speculation or intelligent guess notes, and precise stage of evolution is still does not fit to the fact. In our next video, we will talk about the religion, a functionalist perspective, and you have already studied the functionalism. So here we will discuss about the functional approach given by Durkheim. Okay, so please do watch this video, and if you have any doubts, do let me know. Thank you.